Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at personality adjectives, which are positive, so good things to be described as. And this can be used for job descriptions, for friend descriptions, or for general descriptions of people around you or yourself. So, first, we will look at agreeable. Agreeable refers to someone who always says yes or who always has a positive attitude to what you want to do during the day. Next, we have brave, and brave refers to someone who will try to do something in spite of being uncomfortable or fearful of doing it. We also have calm, and calm refers to someone who is always the same. It's almost like they're a river and the water is always flowing the same way. We also have delightful, and delightful will refer to a person who makes you feel nice about yourself after being around them. We also have eager, and eager will refer to someone who is very willing to do something. They get excited when you ask them to do something, so they are eager to do something with you. We also have faithful, and faithful is someone who stays despite all the problems that could come up. So faithful refers to they're always there and you can always count on them. Happy refers to a person's personality where they're smiling, they have a good attitude, and they are also very positive and nice to be around. Jolly will refer to someone who laughs easily. So they are always laughing and making jokes, and they're always in a very joyous and childlike mood. We also have kind, excuse me, and kind refers to someone who is helpful and who always has nice things to say and who is patient with people. So most people will describe them very positively. Then we also have lively. So lively is someone who is energetic and always moving around, even when there is no reason to move around. So lively is always moving, always showing that they are alive. Nice, excuse me, will be someone who is also kind, but they're not as helpful. So nice is almost like pleasant to be around. So it's okay to be around them or not to be around them. It's the same. Obedient is when you listen to other people and you follow their instructions. So if I tell you to please go wash the dishes, then the person would be obedient and they would wash the dishes. Then we have proud, and proud refers to someone who thinks they are very, very valuable. So if I were a proud person, I would always tell everyone about all my achievements and all the things that I have been able to do. Relieved, relieved refers to the feeling of, great, it's finished. So it's a feeling of you can relax now, you can breathe, you can be yourself again. Then we also have silly, and silly refers to when you are just having fun and you're acting in a very childlike way or a silly way, and you are playing and you are playing pranks on people and so on. Thankful is similar to saying please and thank you. So if I ask you to do something, I would say, would you please do this for me? Or would you please help me with this? And then after we finished it, I would say, thank you very much, or I really appreciated your help. This is a thankful person. They show that what you do and what you achieve is very important. Then we also have victorious, and victorious, I will say it slowly, victorious, victorious, victorious. So victorious refers to people who are always winning. When they play a game, they're number one. And then lastly, we have zealous. Zealous. Zealous refers to someone who is very eager and ready to do something. So If someone invited me to go hiking, I would start getting all my hiking things ready and I would be so excited, even if we are only going hiking in 2 or 3 days' time. I really hope that this information has helped you, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.